Good morning, guys. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your location. It's your boy Sam Mike. Welcome to Sam Mike Nation. Yeah, most of you have been creating videos, posting online on your social medias. Post it on Facebook, we post it on Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, Snapchat. But most times, you guys don't even use a thumbnail for it. Most of you don't even know what's a thumbnail, sir, because all this social media, they once you're uploading a picture or a video, they maybe for the first 5 seconds they'll choose a particular side automatically. They'll capture it and create a thumbnail for you because they know that you might forget to upload your own thumbnail. So they do know the one of the wrong thing they do, because it's done automatically by AI system. The place they might pick might not be what your video needs. So it's meant for you to create a thumbnail for your video. So I'm here to show you guys a way to create a thumbnail. There's an app you can use. There's logo pit, but that one is done manually. But there's other ways you can do it automatically. There are the ones that are paid services. There's one that is free. So let's dive into it. I'll show you how to do it for free using the app that you can install on your phone. Let's go. But the first thing you have to do, you have to take a picture. And also I'll show you how to take the picture, because the picture needs to have space where the words will be. So you have to take a good picture. You can take a picture like this, maybe take it up so that here the thumbnail can enter the name of your video. Let's say the name of the video here, the title of the video will be on top of here. So you can take a picture. As I'm cutting this, I'm going to take a picture to show you guys what I mean. Also, just stay tuned, don't scroll. If you like this video, like, subscribe, click on the notification bell. I don't know where you're watching from, because I'm going to upload this video on YouTube, I'm going to upload it on TikTok, I'm going to upload it on Instagram. So anywhere you're watching it from, please just know that it's the same method. Just do it like you can do it this way. There should be a space on top or below or by the side. You can do it like this. There should be a space by the side here or on top, or even this way, depending on how you want your thumbnail to be. And also you can also do it this way. This one is for YouTube if you are doing a long video. This way. Yeah, I'm in the parlor, so I'll use it like this. You can do it this way for long videos. So as I'm cutting this video, I'm going to take a simple picture. So I've already taken the picture. So the first place you're going to go to our app, the ChatGPT app. We all know what is ChatGPT. So let's use ChatGPT. Sorry about the background noise. It's the house sweeper, the machine that sweeps the house. Okay, let's go to our ChatGPT. ChatGPT, open it. Please, if you're using ChatGPT to create your thumbnail, please, the first thing you're going to do is to log in, so that anything that you're doing, it will be saved. You understand? I've already logged in. If you don't have account, create an account. You can use your Gmail to log in, or you can create an account. So what you're going to do, let's do the first thing. Let's say list the ratio for, let's say, social media thumbnails. Okay. Okay. You see, 16.9 mostly for YouTube, Instagram. Yeah, it will list you. It will show you the ones you need. Do you understand? So depending on the one you want, you can do it. But for if we are going to do 3:4, even though they said 1:1. No, use 3:4. Okay, 4:5. Let's use 3:4. Okay, let's just say create a thumbnail for my video titled, please have to make it capital letter, titled how to create a face, how to create, no, let's just say how to create a thumbnail using ChatGPT, or you can using an app. Okay, using an app. That is the title. Okay, now you can quote it if you want. You can quote it. Then you can now create it using this image. Now I'll now select the image or using the plus sign photo. Okay, you see the picture I took. Okay, now you see it. I'll now send it. Now, if you can see, it was created. Sorry, I had to change the post name. I had to change the post name to this because I received that error. They said that ChatGPT said that what I used, the word, I use how to create a thumbnail using an app. They said that it's against their guidelines, so I had to change it. How to create a thumbnail for your social media. Now, do you know, if you notice something, it created a thumbnail. It created a thumbnail for horizontal view for YouTube mostly. This mostly apply for YouTube. Now let's edit this. Let's copy it again. So let's go back, create a thumbnail using this image at using the ratio of 3:4. Okay, now I have to select the image again so that I made a mistake. I didn't select the ratio, but that's to show you that if you don't select the ratio, if you didn't add the ratio, it will still create the thumbnail, but it will make it for horizontal view. Okay, let's watch and see what will happen. I have to pause it again because it's taking time. You see, it has created one for Facebook. This one is mostly for Facebook, and this one is mostly for YouTube. This video I'm doing, I'm going to post it on YouTube, I'm going to post it on Facebook, I'm going to post it on TikTok and others. So you see, this mostly for YouTube, for Facebook, and this mostly for YouTube. So that is, it's simple, guys. So you can use it and do it by yourself. So please don't forget to like, subscribe, follow, comment. If you have any question or if you have anything that you want me to do or to teach you guys, just put it on the comment section. I'm going to do it for you guys. Peace. Till next time, guys. Love you guys.